Hey, what's up brothers, I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change and remove the straps from your Huawei Watch 3 smartwatches. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much, and now let's go. If you want to remove a pair of straps from the Huawei Watch 3 or Watch 3 Pro, start by turning the watch over to the underside. And here you can see two fasteners on each strap. I will show you. This is one fastener and this is a second fastener. And unlock one fastener by pulling it towards the center of the strap, and this will remove the fastener pin from its slot. While still holding the fastener, remove the strap from its position, and once out of position, you can let go of the fastener. I will show you right now. So easy, so easy. And repeat the same with the other strap. And if I want to change the strap, it's easy as well. And it's done. So I do hope you ended up enjoyed the video, brothers. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear the mask, and you are the best. Thank you so much for your support. Peace out.